How to effectively solve emergencies at night, and the issues of target positioning and azimuth guidance had always been pain points faced by the drone industry. The multifunctional laser mapping system Sagittarius LG20 is born for this purpose, bringing a new experience to users. Equipped with a circular platform high-power laser equipment, it includes guidance module, mapping module, fill light module, and lighting module. It features efficient heat dissipation and continuous irradiation, supporting hot swappable lamp heads. With a 1-watt high-power laser head, it provides high brightness and a long effective range at night, which meets various guidance tasks. The self-developed stabilized gimbal and AI algorithms enable automatic focusing, allowing real-time guidance following the camera. Equipped with red and blue flashlights, it can be used for night warning. The built-in infrared field lab module effectively solves the problem of insufficient brightness at night. The Sagittarius LG20 is equipped with drones for collaborative operations, effectively contributing to night guidance, covert reconnaissance, mapping warnings, field lighting, and other industry pain points, thereby increasing the efficiency